Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to draw an arrow. So if you want to draw an arrow, we can use the leader command. Type leader, press enter, and I will click at this point. Now you can move, click again. After it, you can press enter to set for the lines, and then enter again to text. Now you can choose no annotation. So if you zoom in, we already create this arrow. You can select and we can set for the arrow size at this point. You can set like into 5 and the arrow will be changed into 5. So to create arrow, you can type leader, press enter. I will click from these points to the left. Click again to apply and then press enter. Enter again, choose no annotation. So that's it for basic REST commander tutorial how to draw an arrow. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.